Hello guys, it's Friday night and I'm in Legian and it's absolutely manic here. Look where they made me park my bike. Wave hello everyone. Hello. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's Friday night and we're gonna go. It's about 6:20. We're gonna go for. It took me ages to park. Kind of missed sunset. It literally took. Look at the amount of bikes along here. I mean, it is happening. Anyway. Friday night, we're in Legian on the beach. We're going to take a little stroll while we've got this lovely little bit of Twilight left, and then we'll go in town a little bit as well. Okay, that's enough for me. Just need to find a way, an exit in. There, that's the way we can go in. Oh, look at that, isn't that lovely? And there's the thumbnail right there with that in the background. Okay, that is spectacular. What do you think of that, little poochies? Oh, I don't want to be filmed. Look at that, isn't that wonderful? A camera shy bongoist there. Fair enough. Wow, look at that. Are they playing the back rhythm of Kumbaya? No, not the heavy beating on my left. Right, let's go towards the sound. Oh, I don't think. Oh, look, you've got a plane coming in there. You see that? Absolutely awesome. Hope there's no copyright issues with this tune. Oh, that drum and bass for Vivaldi's Four Seasons. King of Kuta. Okay, what's going on? So I can see some food stalls, ice creams, and a motorbike stall as well. Oh, weird. What a lovely atmosphere. Hello. How you doing? You okay? Looks very yummy. What are these? Corn dogs. What are these? Corn dogs. Sorry? Pardon? What's inside them? What is in? What is inside?
Pardon?
What is inside?
The name is corn dog.
Oh, it is a corn dog, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. That's good. Sorry, mate. To be honest, I don't think I've ever had a corn dog.
The final from the blue corner, Pandey Kuta Beach.
Right, sir. There's my favourite shopping mall in all of Bali. That's the Beach Walk shopping mall in Kuta, and it's my favourite shopping mall simply because it has a Marks and Spencer's in it, which is amazing. Let's see what's on the other side of the road. Tell me when. There we go. Hello, how you doing? Istanorama. that's happening. All happening tonight in Kuta stroke Legian. It's really hard to hold on to. So basically, Legian Street is not all in Legian. A lot of it is in Kuta, which I've just found out. As basically, I rode halfway down Legian Street and then took a right. So one would assume I was in Legian, and then I was on Kuta Beach. Makes no sense. There's not one part of Kuta that hasn't got a motorbike on it though, I'll tell you that. It's only about 6:30, feels a lot later. I think that was a bit of Indonesian thrash metal we were just walking away from there. That was in here I wanted to go. So this road leads on to Legian Street. Actually, it was one car wanting to turn into this road that caused probably a half-mile long traffic jam along Legian Street or Legian Road. Go on, mate. Sports bar. Actually, this wasn't the road because I came down it. This looks like it's one way. What am I talking about? Hello. How are you doing?
Hello.
Saw you wanted to be on film. Have a good day. Yeah, what am I talking about? One way. No such thing. I mean, if Google tells you to go down roads that clearly look like one-way streets, You know, all one-way roads have, you know, like 2 or 3 lanes going of traffic going in one way, but you'll always get a line of scooters. Hello mate, you alright? You'll always get a line of scooters running along the side in the opposite direction. Like some cool street art. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you enjoyed that. It was, just never know what you're going to get. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to go and grab some lunch, grab some dinner, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.